today. We thank you for the gift of life. We thank you for the gift of good health. We thank you for the leadership that you have given us. We want to pray that even as
please kindly exit the council chamber. As well as please kindly exit the council chamber. As well. Once again, we will take the national anthem. May we be seated? Your Excellency, President Tinubu, Your Excellency, the Vice President, President of the Senate, Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Senators and members of the House of Representatives that are present. As the INEC Chairman exits the Council Chamber, please note that President members of the Federal Executive, the INEC Chairman designate and commissioners of the independent officials, distinguished ladies and Your Excellency.
This audio is not good.
No mic. It occupies a pride of place in the highest rungs in Nigeria's legal and academic community through diligence, intellect, and a steadfast commitment to justice and national development. Professor Amupitan began his higher education at the Kwara State Polytechnic Ilorin before proceeding to the University of Jos, where he was a lecturer in the Faculty of Law. Over the next 3 decades, he rose to Dean of the Faculty of Law 2008-2014 and Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration of the University of Nigeria in 2014. He has published extensively in his areas of expertise, which include company laws. He was appointed Pro-Chancellor and Chairman of the Governing Council of Joseph Ayo Babalola University, Jabo 23, where he provided oversight and strategic guidance. He confidence in the electoral process and reinforcing the rule of law in democratic governance.
Oath of allegiance. I, Professor Joash O. Amupitan, SAN, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Oath of office for Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission. I, Professor Joash O. Amupitan, SAN, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully, and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interests of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will exercise the authority vested in me as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, so as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully vested in the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so as not to endanger the continuance of the federal government of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people according to law. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration and shall become known to me as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission. And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
These guys, what are they? Why didn't they move to join these guys?
Here present, distinguished guests, head of service, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first begin by congratulating Professor Josiah Amupitan on the appointment as the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission. Your nomination for the important role and the subsequent confirmation by the Senate is a testament to your capacity and the confidence reposed in you by both the executive and the legislative arm of government. The significant achievement marked the beginning of a challenging yet rewarding journey, and I trust that you will approach your responsibilities with the highest level of integrity, dedication, and patriotism. Our democracy has come a long way in 25 years. We have consolidated and strengthened our democratic institutions, particularly our electoral system, through innovation and reforms. We have learned a great deal along the way and have improved significantly from where we were many years ago. We must now remain committed to the principles that underpin democracy in a complex, multifaceted society. The electoral process is a vital part of a democracy, safeguarding the people's exclusive right to choose their leaders and shape their future. To ensure that our democracy continues to flourish, the integrity of our electoral system must be beyond reproach. It is important that our elections are free, fair, and credible. We must consistently improve our electoral process, addressing the challenges of yesterday and innovating for today and tomorrow. To maintain public trust in elections, electoral integrity must be protected. All aspects of the process, from registration to campaigning, immediate access, voting and counting, should be transparent, non-violent, and be credible. No electoral system is flawless, but since elections are vital to a nation's future, it is essential to continually strengthen electoral institutions, ensuring they are robust, resilient, and safeguarded against artificial setbacks. I therefore charge you, Professor Mgbeke, as you take on this important assignment to protect the integrity of our elections and electoral process and strengthen the institutional capacity of INEC. I wish you success as you lead INEC on your first assignment in November 2025, which is the governorship election in Anambra State. God bless you. God bless Nigeria and Federal Republic. Thank you very much.